Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Moyan. Today I'll be doing for you guys some festival. Now in my festival I'm going to use some flour, all-purpose flour. You're going to need cornmeal, sugar, vegan margarine, vanilla, baking powder, a little bit of cinnamon and some salt. Now stay tuned, let me show you how to make the dough. That was my 2 cups of flour. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of cornmeal. I also like to sip it too. Now I'm adding the salt. Adding my sugar to the mixture. You want to make sure that all your dry ingredients are properly combined. Then you're gonna add the butter. This blends the butter well in the flour. So you're aiming for the flour to look like cornmeal consistency. If you don't have one, you can always go right ahead and use your fingers. Just should look like this. So when you squeeze it, it starts to form. This is my liquid ingredient, the water and the vanilla. So I'm gonna pour it. Like I always say, pour it gradually because you don't want to get your mixture too thin. Your dough should look something like this, very soft, not too tight. Okay, so you're gonna leave the dough to rest like for an hour and a half. Right, that way you get a better crispier, crunchy fried dumpling. Okay guys, so I know I promised you guys an hour to an hour and a half, but unfortunately I had to wait until the next morning, which is this morning. So I'm going to show you guys how to prepare the festivals. So my dough has been sitting overnight and I'm telling you, your festivals are going to taste so good. So you make sure you want to flour your hands and just bring them into a little ball and just put it to rest on your flour surface. Okay guys, so you roll the festival like this in the shape. You can enjoy your festival with anything, ackee, steamed vegetables or baked bean. Now I'm going to show you how to fry it. Preheat your oil to 300 Celsius. How you know? You see when some bubbles are in the oil, you know. Or you can just put a tester. See? Perfect. So we're ready to fry the festivals. Feel free in the comment section to let me know which recipe you'd like to see me prepare. I'm finished frying them guys. These look so nice, all crispy. Oh my gosh, you should be here to just taste it. Guys, my festival is live. Look at this. See how nice and fluffy my festival is. If you try this recipe, let me know. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing plant-based videos. Until next time, bye.